All right, to give you an update on the HS720G drone on my first flight, which mistakenly did it in a backyard with several trees around it. I actually bounced this thing off 3 different trees and it fell a good 30 feet. Um, and with that being said, the drone still held up, so that's very impressive for this drone. I then took it out to a field and flew it out in a wide open field. Thing flies like a champ, hovers well, even had some good 10, 15-mile-an-hour wind, and it still held its hover. Took it off beginner and flew it up um, to a higher altitude and came back very responsive. Pressed the home button and came right back within feet of where it took off from, which I would expect a little difference because of one, I didn't have something on the ground showing it exactly where to go, and given the wind that it was up there as well. So again, my review of this Holy Stone, excuse me, the HS720G drone is really good. Camera works great. Does have the cameras when you zoom in, it loses a lot of the pixels, but overall in the wide angle video photos, they work great. So definitely, for your starting out with drone flying, this is what you need to get to start with. Yes, they say the smaller ones are nice, which they are, but for uh, for me, I decided I want to go a little bigger, and this definitely fit the bill and worked really well. Look for our next video, and you can link here to the first time I flew a drone, should be right here, and look forward to talking to you again.